So what we'll be covering today will be on addition and subtraction of linear expressions. We also look into multiplication and division of algebraic expressions, and then we will be doing simplification of linear algebraic expression with fractional coefficients. So have you on your own learned this, Unlock? Have you touched on these things already?
Yes.
That's great. Okay. All right, let's look at the first one. If we are supposed to simplify the following expression, all right, so you notice one thing is there are two types of brackets here, the square brackets and then the curved brackets. Now, what you'll do is you will expand the curved bracket first, and then the square bracket converted to curved brackets. All right, so I'm going to show you how this is done. So the next step will be 3/4 remains. Now this becomes curved bracket for x. So you're going to expand this. So minus 3 times 8y, you get minus 24y. Then next one, minus 3 times minus 12x. So minus times minus give you a plus. So 3 times 12 give you 36. So you get 36x. So you notice how I converted the square bracket to curved brackets and then expand the inner curved brackets. So before we expand, or before we actually multiply by 3/4, we will combine the like terms. Now, what are the like terms inside here? The like terms will be 4x and 36x. So what is 4x plus 36x? So you get 40x minus 24y. So now you're going to multiply the 3/4 with 40x. So 4 and 40 we can reduce, becomes 10. 10 times 3 you get 30. So you get 30x. Now the next one you need to multiply will be 3/4 multiplied by 24. Okay, so 6, 4, 24, 6 times 3, 18. So minus 18y. Okay, I think, I don't know, quite easy. Is that all right with you? Enla, are you all right with this? Halun, you okay? Any question? Okay, great. All right, so this considered quite easy. We go on to the next one. Okay, very good. So Enla, you're ready. So we'll look at the next question. Okay, we have this. Now express the following as a fraction in its simplest form. Now this is what you normally encounter. So if this is the case, what will you do? What do you think you should do? Anyone can tell me? Unlock.
Change it to common denominator.
Okay, very good. Common denominator. So in this case, what is the common denominator?
60. That's the lowest common denominator.
What is the lowest denominator? Lowest common denominator?
60.
Huh?
60.
60, that's right. Okay, so 60. So I'm going to put 60 below. So the first 60 divided by 4, you actually get 15. So I'm going to put a 15 on top and then bracket 3x minus 5. The next one, 60 divided by 3, I get 20. So on top, I actually have a 20 times 2. Okay, maybe I'll just put 20 times 2 then. Then last one, minus 60. So 60 divided by 5, which is a 12. So I put a 12 and then bracket 2x minus 1. Now, I just want to highlight this. Whenever you have a minus 2x minus 1 over 5 like this, this minus means it is for 2x minus 1 inside. So it's not just minus 2x. Okay, so it's for everything. All right, so I can continue from here now. So once you're all 20, I can do one straight line. They all combine the denominator. So now I just continue the next step. 15, 3x minus 5 plus, okay, here I can expand it straight away, so I can just put 40. And then after that, I have a minus, and then I'll just leave it so that later I expand accordingly. Okay, now I'm going to expand it already. So 12 times 3. So if you know 12 times 3, 15, 30, 45. So that gives you 45x. Okay. So 12 times minus 5. So 12 times 5. 12 times 4 is 60 plus another 15, 75. So minus 75. Next one is plus 40. Okay, the troublemaker is here, minus. So first one, minus is still okay. Minus 12 times 2, minus 24x. Now the next one will be a minus and minus. So minus times a minus give you a plus, and then that gives you a 12. Okay, now we are almost ready to do the, all right, if you want, you can put all the like terms together. What do you mean by put all the like terms together? That means you can rearrange this so that the like terms comes together like this. Minus 24x, and then minus 75 plus 40 plus 12. So in this case, these are the like terms. In this case, these are the like terms. Then we can subtract. So 45x minus 24. So 5 minus 4 is a 1. 4 minus 2 is 20. So that's 21x. Then the next one minus. All right. So is it a minus? Minus 75 plus 40 plus 12. All right. So you can consider it as minus 75 plus 52. Okay. Or you can just minus accordingly. So minus 75 plus 40 is minus 35. Minus 35 plus 12 minus 23. So you have minus 23 here over 60. All right, you check whether you can have any common factor, whether it can reduce. No, so that's the simplest form. So always remember, if it's the simplest form, that means it will be a single fraction. Okay, single fraction like this. All right, so in this case, okay, so this is the, all right, so this is the simplest form already. Any question, anybody so far? Do you have any query about doing this kind of fractional coefficient? Are you okay, Unlock? And how long? Okay. All right, let's see whether you have downloaded the worksheets to do or not. Have you downloaded the worksheets to do or not? Unlock and how long?
Yes.
You did already, okay. Okay, how long also did. That's great. Okay, let's see if you have done, let's see the answer, whether the answer is correct or not. All right, we have this, okay. See whether I want to check with you. See whether your B, 1B is there a minus? Is it correct? Okay, so I give you, let's say, how long do you think you can send me your answer? Give you 2 minutes to send me your answer. So remember, if there's a square, you just write, let's say for instance, p squared, you just write as p and then this one and then 2. That means to go know that this is a p squared or p to the power 2. Okay. Are you working on some of the question?
Sorry,
Do you have
I think I disconnected just now.
do you have problem with any of the question or not? Any one of you?
Uh,
Do you need Mr. Cole to
I had no
yeah.
problems with the question. I was about to send my answer when I got disconnected, and now I have to redo everything.
Oh dear. Okay, okay. Never mind, never mind. It's okay. Take your time. How about Howlun? Do you have any problem with any of this question or not? Howlun still working on some of the question, is it? Okay, let's see. Okay, C and D. All right. Then okay, Mr. Cole will take note. I will show you C and D. Then maybe you can show me the answer for the rest. Okay, C and D. Then M, A, B, and E, you have no problem, or E also you got problem? Oh, okay, that's great. E do not have problem. All right, later Mr. Go will show you C and D. Then you just show me what answer do you have first. Okay? Okay, unlock. That's great. Let's see. Okay, A, you're correct. B, okay, you're good as well. C, 45Q, also correct. D, 4P plus 11Q, wonderful. Okay, E, 28PQ minus 15P square minus 4P minus, oh, wonderful. Okay, great job. Okay, unlock, all correct. Okay, now let's see, wait for Howlun. Howlun, Mr. Go, wait for your answer first. Your answer for A, B, and E.